Hi everyone, it's Emilia here. Welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to new flower making video. In this video I want to show you how to make those little cute flowers. I had that card posted recently on the Facebook and on my blog, and some people said they would like to see the tutorial, so I'm going to share it with you today. These flowers can be like made with one layer of the petals, or this one here is 2 layered. Very simple and quick to make. So for those flowers I'll be using Lady E Design Flower 001 die, and I am going to use this one, so it's the second from the smallest in the set. Okay, and I've got some interesting info for you. This is one sheet of foam. Okay, it was like that. I folded it in half and in half, and I have like 4 layers together. I usually place the die on top and die cut 4 layers at the time. But what I wanted to say that I die cut 14 rows of those flowers, and each 4 layers. So if you would like to create 1 layered flowers like this one here, from 1 sheet of foam you will create 56 flowers, and if you would like to create 2 layered you will create 28 flowers. So if you're wondering how many flowers from 1 sheet, you know now. Okay, to make these flowers you will need some stamens, some sort of wire. This will help us to put the stamens through. A tool with a ball. If you don't have it, you could use maybe barbecue stick, some sponge, iron. For those flowers we need iron and hot glue gun. I will put the glue gun on the side and I will show you how to do the flowers. I will turn it on. This is a travel iron. It's not like a special craft iron or anything like that. So I will need it quite hot, maybe almost maximum. My iron doesn't work really great because it was used, I think, many times, and that's why. But if you've got an iron, just set it to almost maximum because we want the flowers to curl. And I've got few left because I am just making this for my future cards. If you would like to add color to your flowers, do it before you will place them on the iron. Okay, so to do the flowers, let me just check, it's quite hot. You will just place the flower on the iron, hold in the middle and wait for it to curl. I hope you can see that it is becoming smaller and smaller. Then you release it, and what I do, I just try to stretch it gently and press in the middle. It is giving a flower kind of a bump, you could say. You see, and it's creating that middle point. Okay, and then again place on the iron, wait for it to become smaller, release, and again press gently in the middle. Okay, so you will have something like that. Okay, shall I do a few more just to show you? Place it on the iron. You can see that it's shrinking. Okay, release, gently stretch and press. That's it. Nothing's difficult. Okay, so I will just take that on the side, and we'll take my glue gun now. So now for those little flowers I was using 2 sizes of stamens. These are quite small and these are a bit bigger. So if I'm using the bigger ones, I use about 3 stamens. If I use those tiny ones, I use about 5. These all double-sided. So let me just take 5 of those pink one. I will try to make them equal on one side, and now we will need that wire to place it in the middle of our stamens. Fold them and fold the wire. So this should be easier to pull everything through the flower. Let me just take this one for example and just press in the middle. Come on. Okay, we pull that through. Before I will just pull them to the end, I'm going to add a dot of a glue here and just pull them slightly and kind of squash the flower from the bottom. I like to spread these as well, slightly. Okay, could add a bit more glue here. Just try add 2 tiny dots of a glue, because my hole was far too big. Okay, now I can trim. Oh, it's blurry. Come on. I can trim that off. So we will have that. Okay, let me do another one because this one had that huge hole in the center. Okay, I will take again 5 stamens, and maybe I will do the double layered one. So just make them equal, fold in half. I will shorter my wire as well here. That should be easier to work with. Okay, oh, and then just kind of press in the middle, pull, and again just secure with a dot of a glue here. I like when they just going into different directions. This one's a bit too long. Okay, and then I will add a second layer here. And then you can overlap the petals here or not to overlap, it depends how you like it. So I would just add tiny dot of a glue in the middle between the layers and pull, and we've got that second flower. I would also trim that off. I try to leave it a bit longer here on the bottom, so you can always secure it with the glue on the bottom as well. As you can see, very simple and quick to make flowers. So yes, this is what I wanted to share with you today. Maybe you will create some. These are great for the cards and for other projects. And also I want to thank you for all the comments I receive on my videos, and I want to invite you to my handmade Foamiran flowers group on Facebook. If you make Foamiran flowers, you can join us and you can share your creations. The stamens and Foamiran I'm using is from 14 Grad Bar. I will link everything below the video, so if you need anything, just check the links there. And yes, thank you very much. Have a lovely day. Bye.